Hi class 9 students, I hope everyone is doing well. So this is our lesson number 5 of the chapter Structure of the Atom. So here we will discuss the isotopes and different examples like hydrogen. Now let us see hydrogen. So hydrogen has got 3 isotopes. First isotope of hydrogen is protium, whose atomic number is 1 and the atomic mass number equal to 1. As I already told you, atomic number is denoted by Z and atomic mass number is denoted by A. Second isotope of hydrogen is deuterium, whose atomic number Z equal to 1 and mass number equal to 2. And the third isotope of hydrogen is tritium, whose atomic number equal to 1 and atomic mass number equal to 3. Now let us see what are isotopes. So isotopes are the atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different atomic mass number. So isotopes are the atoms of the same element. So here the element is hydrogen. Now as you can see here, they have the same atomic number, that is Z equal to 1 in case of protium, deuterium and tritium. But they have got different atomic mass number. In protium the atomic mass number equal to 1, in deuterium it is 2 and in tritium it is 3. Now see few more examples of isotopes. So this is the first isotope of carbon, whose mass number equal to 12, atomic number is 6 and the number of neutron is 6. And this is the second isotope of carbon, where the mass number equal to 14 as you can see here, and atomic number is same, that is 6, and the number of neutron is 8. Now see, this is the first isotope of chlorine atom, whose mass number equal to 35, atomic number equal to 17 and the number of neutrons is 18. This is the second isotope of chlorine, whose mass number equal to 37, atomic number is same, that is 17 and the number of neutron is 20. So the number of neutrons in isotopes is different. As you can see here, the number of neutrons in isotopes are different, but the chemical properties of isotopes are the same. But the chemical properties of isotopes, they are same. Now see the diagrams of the two isotopes of chlorine. As you can see here, the nucleus contains 17 protons and 18 neutrons, right? So the mass number or atomic mass equal to 35. Now see here, the nucleus contains 17 protons and 20 neutrons. So the mass number or atomic mass equal to 37. Here the mass number of an atom is equal to its atomic mass. So this mass number, it is equal to its atomic mass. Now see the isotopes of hydrogen. The hydrogen element has 3 isotopes having the same atomic number of 1 but different mass numbers of 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Now the hydrogen element, they have got 3 isotopes and they have the same atomic mass number, that is 1, but they have different mass numbers of 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Now see here, first isotope, that is protium. Here the number of protons is 1 and the neutrons is 0 and the electrons is also 1. Now the second isotope deuterium, it has got a 1 proton, 1 neutrons and 1 electron. Now the third isotope tritium, it has got 1 proton, 2 neutrons and 1 electrons. It is clear from the above table that all the isotopes of hydrogen contain 1 proton and 1 electron each, but they contain 0, 1 and 2 neutrons respectively. So from this table you can see that all the isotopes of hydrogen, they contain 1 proton and 1 electron each, right? But they have 0, 1 and 2 neutrons respectively. So isotopes exist due to difference in the number of neutrons. Now as you can see here, there is a difference in the number of neutrons, so isotopes exist. Now let us see the diagrams of the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. Here the nucleus contains 1 proton only, so it is an ordinary hydrogen or protium, whose atomic mass equal to 1U. Here the nucleus contains 1 proton and 1 neutron, so it is a heavy hydrogen or deuterium, whose atomic mass equal to 2U. Here the nucleus contains 1 proton and 2 neutron. So it is a very heavy hydrogen or tritium whose atomic mass equal to 3U. Next we will see isotopes of carbon, oxygen and neon. Now see, the carbon element has 3 isotopes having the same atomic number of 6 but different mass numbers of 12, 13 and 14. Now the carbon element, it has got 3 isotopes and they have the same atomic number of 6 but they have different mass numbers, that is 12, 13 and 14. Now see, these are the 3 isotopes of carbon. So from here we can see that they have the same atomic number of 6 but different mass numbers. So the first isotope of carbon, the mass number is 12. For the second isotope, mass number is 13. And for the third isotope, mass number is 14. Next, all the isotopes of oxygen have the same atomic number of 8, but they have different mass numbers or atomic masses of 16, 17 and 18 respectively. Now see, these are the 3 isotopes of oxygen and they have the same atomic number of 8, but they have different mass numbers. Can you see it? For the first isotope of oxygen, mass number is 16. For the second isotope, mass number is 17. And for the third isotope, mass number is 18. Since the masses of the isotopes of an element are slightly different, therefore the physical properties of the isotopes of an element are slightly different. From here we can see that the masses of the isotopes of an element are slightly different, right? So therefore the physical properties of the isotopes of an element are also slightly different. The various isotopes of an element can have slightly different physical properties such as densities, melting points and boiling points. Now the various isotopes of an element, they have slightly different physical properties like densities, melting points and boiling points. Clear everyone? Now we will see that it is obvious from the above symbols that all the isotopes of neon have the same atomic number of 10. But they have different mass numbers or atomic masses of 20, 21 and 22 respectively. Now see the isotopes of neon. So these are the 3 isotopes of neon. From here we can see that they have the same atomic number of 10 and the mass number are 20, 21 and 22 respectively. The chemical properties of an atom of the element depend on the number of protons and electrons, not on the number of neutrons. So the chemical properties of an atom of the element, they depend on the number of protons and electrons and they do not depend on the number of neutrons. Since all the isotopes of an element contain the same number of protons and electrons. Since all the isotopes of an element, they contain the same number of protons and neutrons. Alright? The chemical properties of all the isotopes of an element are identical or same. So the chemical properties of all the isotopes of an element, they are same. I hope everyone understood. Okay guys, so we are done for lecture number 5. Thank you.